This video will walk you through using your calculator to find the sample regression line and predict values of y. First and foremost, we are using a problem that was first introduced in section 10.2 dealing with altitude and temperature. The first step will always be to create a scatter plot for this. So in advance of this video, under Stat and Edit, under L1 I have put in the altitude and L2 the temperature. Then I go to Stat Plot, make sure I use plot number 1, that's the only one that should be on. Make sure my X list is altitude, my Y list is temperature, and we'll zoom 9. Now, one of the things that I did forget to do, and this is a good point to even remind you, sometimes we forget, you might have an extraneous line appear. Don't forget to go to Y equal to and hit clear. So let me go back to my zoom 9 now that I've done that. Now we create our scatter plot and then we go to step 2, which is to test the claim of linear correlation. Now these are the same steps as before. Stat, over to test. We're going to go to linear regression t-test. And we'll make sure we have the appropriate values in. Don't forget to leave your regression equation as y1. That's important. Hit enter to calculate. Now these are the same values we found before, and our conclusion is there's evidence to support a claim of a linear correlation. Don't forget we did report the value of r. Now the next thing we're going to do is predict the value of y using the given x value. In order to do this, since there isn't a linear regression here, or evidence to support a claim of a correlation, we're going to go to our graph. So we're just going to press graph right now. And you see what happens now that we just recently tested for our claim, the linear regression line, sample linear regression lines on top of the graph. Now we're going to be plugging in a value of, and let me go back to the problem here, 6.327. That's corresponding to 6,327 feet. So let's go to second and trace. Select option 1 to enter in a value, and we're entering in 6 point, not comma, 0.327. Remember, these are in thousands of feet. So we're predicting the outside air temperature, as we see here on the bottom of the screen, to be 49.2 degrees Fahrenheit. And I believe that's a conclusion that we have here at the end. And this goes ahead and concludes this video.